So computer can understand only machine readable language. What is Roman number system? In positional number system, we have 4 different types. What is decimal number system? Units means 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is 1. Binary number system consists of 2 digits. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. These are the examples for octal number system. Hexadecimal means 0 to 16. Hexadecimal means base value is 16. Welcome back to my new session. I am Shweta, Computer Science faculty, Vidyashram College, Mysore. Today I am going to present the new chapter called Data Representation. This is your 3rd chapter in your syllabus. The weightage of this chapter is 8 marks. So you can expect 3 marks, 1 question and 5 marks, 1 question. So totally you will get 8 marks in this chapter. Data and instructions cannot be entered and processed directly into the computer using human readable language. Any type of data, it can be numbers, words, special symbols, sounds, pictures, it must be first converted into machine readable code in the form of binary digits called zeros and ones. So computer can understand only machine readable language in the form of binary digits called zeros and ones. Using number system called binary digits, we can represent the data. So what is number system? Number system is the system of naming and representing numbers. Number systems are representation of the numbers. In digital computer, data and instructions can be stored in computer memory using binary code. Binary code means it is machine readable code. It is a machine code represented by binary digits called 1 and 0. It is called as bits. So data and instructions is converted into machine readable code, that is in the form of binary codes called 1 and 0, that is called as bits. And the number system uses well-defined symbols called digits. So in number system, we have to use some symbols and only the digits. So number system is a representation of numbers. And in number system, we have 2 types of number system, that is non-positional number system and positional number system. So first type is non-positional number system and positional number system. 3 marks question, what is number system and what are the types of number system? So first type is non-positional number system. Non-positional number systems are, in olden days, the people used of this number system for performing arithmetic operations called addition and subtraction. This non-position number system represent different symbols that are used to represent numbers. And the best examples for non-positional number system is Roman number system. Hope you know about the Roman number system, right? So what is Roman number system? Examples, this is the Roman number of 1 and B is the Roman number of 5 and X is the Roman number for 10 and L is the Roman number for 50. So it is very difficult to implement the arithmetic operations. So Roman number system is very difficult to perform all the arithmetic operations. To overcome these difficulties of Roman number system, they have introduced one positional number system. So non-positional number system cannot be used effectively to perform arithmetic operations. To overcome this problem, they have introduced one positional number system. Positional number system and value of the digits is represented by base value. Positional number system and their placements or value of digits is represented by base value. In positional number system, we have 4 different types, that is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Very important question, what are the types of positional number system? Decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. And in positional number system, digits present in any number system is called as base or radix. Base value is also known as radix and subscript value. and every number is represented by a base or radix which represents x digits. In every number system, we have to use the base value or radix value for representing the x digits. And the base is written after the numbers as subscript. The base is written after the numbers as subscript, such as example, I am using 360 to the base 10. This is called as base value or subscript or index value. 360, this is called digits. For this digits, we have one base value called radix value. It is a decimal number as its base is 10. Here we have one decimal value 360 to the base 10. Base 10 means we can represent it as decimal number system. Next I will explain the types of number system. So first type is decimal number system. What is decimal number system? It is the most widely used number system. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 we can call it as decimal number system. It has 10 digits and hence its base radix is 10. It has 10 digits from 0 to 9, so the base value should be 10. Base value is also called as radix value. And these digits can be used to represent any numeric value. We can consider any numeric value, but we have to mention the base value. Example, I will take 140 to the base 10. Now I can call it as a decimal number system. And 555, I can call this as decimal number system. Why? Because base value is 10. And 3200 and base value is 10 means we can call it as decimal number system. Generally 4 and 6 I can call this is also a decimal number, but without representing the base value, generally we can call this as decimal value. So decimal number means we have to represent the base value called 10. Clear? This is decimal number system. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. The base value is 10. Example, these are the examples for decimal number system. So next is, consider a decimal number, how to represent the decimal value. Consider a decimal number 542.76 to the base 10, which can be represented in equivalent value as, we have to represent the decimal value in equivalent value as, first you need to write all the digits separately, that is called as digits. 54276. This is our given decimal digits. And represent the value of this digits and represents the weights of this digits. Here I will represent the weights of this digits, hundreds, that is 10 power 2, and tens means 10 power 1. Units means 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is 1. And 1/10 means 10 power minus 1, and 100 means 10 power minus 2. These all are called as weights of this given digits. In conversion, I will explain you in detail. And values. What is the value of 10 power 2? It is 100. 100 into 5 is 500. 10 power 1 is 10. 10 into 4 is 40. 10 power 0 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. And 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1 means you can write it is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 means you can write it is 0.1. 0.1 into 7 means 0.7. And 10 power minus 2, that is 10 power minus 2 into 6 is 0.06. This is the representation of equivalent value. So what is decimal number system? Decimal number system consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9 and the base value is 10. One more example I will show you. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. This is one decimal value. How to represent in decimal number system? You need to write the base value 10. This is called decimal number system. Example for decimal number system. And next number system is binary number system. What is the meaning of bi? Bi means two values. Two values means only zeros and ones. Binary number system consists of two digits from 0 to 1. It consists of only 0 and 1. Computer can only understand the machine code called binary digits, that is 0 and 1. And binary number system consists of digits 0, that is called as low voltage, and 1 called as high voltage. And we can elaborate this. 0 means it is condition is off and 1 means condition is on. This is low voltage and this is high voltage. So, binary number system consists of two digits called 0 and 1. Its base or radix is 2. In decimal number system, base value is 10. In binary number system, base value is 2. And each digit or bit in binary number system can be 0 or 1. Binary digit means only it represents 0 or 1. And the positional values are expressed in power of 2. That is 2 power n. The positional value of binary digits is expressed in terms of 2 power n. Example for binary number system, it represents only the digits 0 and 1. Example 1011 to the base 2. Now we can call this is one binary number. 111 to the base 2. We can call this is binary number system. And 100001, this is binary number system. Next example, consider a binary number. This is one binary number, that is 11011.10 to the base 2, which can be represented in equivalent value as multiply this binary numbers with 2 power n, 2 power n, 2 power n, 2 power n, where n is a current position beginning from 0 and increasing 1 each time. So, multiply this binary digits by 2, you will get the final values. Here, digits, weights, values we need to find out. So, what are the digits? 1101101. What are the digits? 1101110. Find the weights of these digits. Here, binary means we have to use power of 2 only. 2 power 4, 2 power 3. Here we have 2 power 4. It extended up to 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, and after the decimal value. Here, after the decimal value, we can represent the power values from -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Before the decimal value means we can represent the power value from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Remember this, 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0 after the decimal points means 2 power -1, 2 power -2. And so what is 2 power 4? 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 1 is 16 only. So value is 16. 2 power 3 means 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 into 0 you will get 0. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. And 2 power -1. 2 power -1 means we can write it is 1 by 2 power 1. 1 by 2 means it is 0.5. 0.5 into 1 is 0.5 only. And 2 power -2. 2 power -2 means it is 1 by 2 power 2. 1 by 2 power 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Like this you can write the values, digits and weights of the given binary numbers. And I will consider one binary number 11010. Here leftmost digit 1 is the highest order bit is called as MSB. Leftmost digit 1 is called as MSB. MSB stands for most significant bit. And rightmost digit 0 is called as least significant bit, that is LSB. So, what is MSB stands for? most significant bit, and LSB stands for least significant bit. So here in this binary number, leftmost digit is called as MSB and rightmost digit is called as LSB. Keep in mind MSB and LSB. So this is called binary number system. And next we have octal number system. So what is octal number system? Octal means 8. The octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7. Octal number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7. The base or radix of this system is 8. So octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7, but the base value is 8. And the positional values are expressed in power of 8. The positional value you need to express it in power of 8. For decimal, power of 10. For binary, power of 2. And for octal, power of 8. And any digit in this system is always less than 8. That is from 0 to 7 only. Example for octal number system: 2, 2, 2. To the base 8. Now we can call it as octal number system. And 4, 5, 0. To the base 8. This is octal number system. And 7, 0, 0. To the base 8. This is octal number system. These are the examples for octal number system. But keep in mind the number 6418. 6418 is not a valid. Why it is not a valid number? Because the octal number consists of only 0 to 7 digits. But here 8 is not a valid digit. 8 is not a valid digit because octal number consists of only 0 to 7 digits. This is called octal number system. The base value or radix value is 8. Example: the octal number 234.56 to the base 8, which can be represented in equivalent form as multiply these digits by power of 8. That is 2 into 8, 3 into 8, 4 into 8, 5 into 8, 6 into 8. Before the decimal point, you need to represent the power values from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. After the decimal point means represents the power of value from -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. So here find the digits, weights and values. What are the digits? We have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And weights are 8 power 2, 8 power 1, 8 power 0, 8 power -1 and 8 power -2. So 8 power 2 is 64, 8 power 1 is 8, 8 power 0 is 1, 8 power -1 is 0.125, 8 power -2 is 0.015625. Like this we can express in weights and values. So this is called as octal number system. The base value should be 8 and it consists of only 8 digits from 0 to 7. So next is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits. Hexa means it is 16 digits values. It consists of 16 digits from 0 to 9 numbers and A to F letters. Why this A to F is a letter? You can't express it in 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hexadecimal means 0 to 16, but it consists of only 0 to 9 numbers and remaining A to F is a letters. So the letters A to F represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. So what is A represents? A represents 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F 15. This is called hexadecimal numbers. It consists of 16 digits from 0 to 9 numbers and A to F letters. Very simple. The base or radix of this number system is 16. The base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. Example, A3. What does A stands for? A represents 10. So in place of 10, directly I can write it is A. A3 to the base 16. Now we can call it as hexadecimal number system. And 2BC. B stands for 11, C stands for 12. 2BC to the base 16. This is one hexadecimal number. And FACE. F stands for 15, A stands for 10, C stands for 12 and E stands for 14. FACE to the base 16. This is hexadecimal number. And E stands for 14 to the base 16. This is called hexadecimal number system. How to represent this hexadecimal number? We have 5AF point D to the base 16. Multiply these digits by 16. So, the power of 16 means it is hexadecimal value. So, 5 into 16, A into 16, F into 16, D into 16. Before the decimal value means power should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. After the decimal point means power is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. So, first find the digits value 5, A, F and D and mention all the weights of this given digits 16 power 2, 16 power 1, 16 power 0 and 16 power minus 1 and find the values of these digits. 16 power 2 is 256, 16 power 1 16, 16 power 0 is 1 and 16 power minus 1 is 0.0625. Using this concept, we convert from one number system to another numbers. These methods we can use it for number system conversions. So, today we learnt hexadecimal, octal, binary and decimal number system. Binary is called as base 2, digits is 0 and 1. And octal means base is 8, digits from 0 to 7. And decimal means base value is 10, digits is 0 to 9. And hexadecimal means base value is 16, digits is 0 to 9 numbers and A to F letters. A stands for 10, B is 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. This is called as positional number system. So, today we learned positional number system and non-positional number system. In my next session, I will discuss about the number system table and conversion problems. Thank you.